Jet Workflow offers many field types that addresses to different needs. In this video, we are going to explain the basic field types. To add a field, click on the form. Click on Add Field. Enter the field name and field label. The field label will be seen by the user. You may enter something meaningful. Text field allows any characters to be keyed into the text field. Select Text field and click Save. This is how a text field will look like. Numeric only allows number to be keyed into the field. Let's add a numeric field. This is how a numeric field will look like. Currency allows you to store currency values up to 2 decimal points. Let's add a currency field. This is how a currency field will look like. Date allows you to select a date or key in manually. Let's add a date field. This is how a date field will look like. Email allows you to input email address, and it must detect add.com or .sg to be considered as an email. Let's add an email field. This is how an email field will look like. Long text allows the user to key long remarks onto the next line. Let's add a long text field. This is how a long text field will look like. Checkbox allows you to indicate a yes or no value. Let's add a checkbox field. This is how a checkbox field will look like. This is how the form looks like with all the basic field types in it.
Jet Workflow, creating apps within minutes.